Hello and welcome to Excuse the Beard. Today is May the 4th, 2021, Star Wars Day. May the 4th be with you. But honestly, it's not a time to be making jokes. As you know, India has got a raging coronavirus pandemic, and right now we are suffering a serious shortage of supplemental oxygen in many cities in India. The reason many coronavirus patients require supplemental oxygen is because the COVID 19 virus has ravaged their lungs, inhibiting the gas exchange that occurs when you breathe in atmospheric oxygen, and therefore you require oxygen at higher concentrations for your body to be able to function properly. Low levels of oxygen in your blood lead to reduced cognitive function and eventually organ failure. The way we create supplemental oxygen is a very interesting way. Until the 1970s, the only way to really create supplemental oxygen for any purpose, whether it was medical or industrial, was to freeze it. Basically, cool the air down to 218.79 degrees below 0 centigrade, and oxygen becomes a liquid, and then you distill it away. We use oxygen created in this way in many steel furnaces and in rocketry, but mainly steel, which is why you're seeing many of the cylinders and tanks carrying oxygen today coming from India's steel plants. In the 1970s, scientists devised a new method to create medical grade oxygen without creating these massive plants to pretty much freeze the air. These were called oxygen concentrators, and they are there thanks to a wonderful mineral called the zeolites. The way an oxygen concentrator works is that you have two canisters or sieves full of zeolites. Zeolites are minerals in a lattice-like structure, mainly silicates and aluminium oxides. And what happens is when you put air under pressure into one of these sieves, the nitrogen sticks to the minerals. And what you get out of it is pretty much pure oxygen. A solenoid switch switches the air to the second molecular sieve, depressurizing the first one, and the nitrogen in the first one is exhaled, and the second sieve undergoes the same process under pressure. This switch switches as many times as it's required for the person. The oxygen concentrators now can work at 10 liters per minute in portable small oxygen concentrators, not much larger than an average air purifier. The larger oxygen concentrators that hospitals use that are called oxygen generators can generate as much as 1,000 liters of oxygen every minute. Now let's get one thing straight. The people who are taking supplemental oxygen are not stealing somebody else's oxygen. Okay, there's more than enough oxygen for everybody on this planet right now. Nobody's stealing anything. You are still exhaling oxygen back into the atmosphere, and whatever oxygen is not used in the machine is going out. You are taking supplemental oxygen simply because your lungs currently do not have the ability to absorb the oxygen you need to function as a human being. That is it. Should we be taking more care of the environment and planting more trees to create more oxygen? Yes, we should. But that's not the point over here. Let's not miss the woods for the trees. I hope the oxygen concentrators being sent by other countries and being ordered by NGOs and people across India can come into India soon enough. I believe by the end of this week, we should have a lot more oxygen concentrators in this country. And by the 15th of May, maybe this crisis will be over us.